The screams inside Leap Castle don't come from outside. They come from the walls themselves. And once you hear them, you are no longer alone. Leap Castle sits deep in the misty hills of County Offaly, Ireland. Built in the 1500s by the O'Carroll clan, the stones have witnessed centuries of betrayal and blood. Long before the castle, this site was sacred to ancient druids, but today, the shadows tell a darker story. At its dark heart lies a small upper room meant for prayer. Today it is called the Bloody Chapel. Around 1532, two O'Carroll brothers fought for control. One was a priest named Thaddeus. During Mass, his rival burst in and stabbed him at the altar. The priest died on sacred ground. Some say his ghost still lingers, sometimes a shadow, sometimes glowing in the chapel windows. Even today, some blame the shadows themselves. Something known as the elemental, a gaunt, inhuman figure with hollow eyes, a stench of sulfur and decay, awakened perhaps by centuries of violence. But the chapel hides something far worse. Behind a wall lies an oubliette, forgotten trapdoor. In the early 20th century, workers discovered a pit lined with wooden spikes, filled with human bones. Some say 3 cartloads, around 150 victims. A pocket watch from the mid-1800s hints the horror, continued long after the O'Carrolls. Prisoners, rivals, even betrayed guests were dropped alive, left to die while life carried on above. Step inside the bloody chapel today, and the air turns freezing. The silence is heavy, watchful. Then the screams begin, blood-curdling echoes from nowhere. Icy fingers brush your skin. Shadow figures lurk in the corners. Dread overwhelms you. Even the castle staff refuse to enter alone after dark. Leap Castle still stands. The bloody chapel waits. And when night falls over Ireland, the screams return. If the restless spirits of history call to you, subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Some places never let their secrets die.